How to download voice messages on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once in there, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to settings and privacy. There, tap on the account center at the top. Now scroll down and tap on the your information and permission option available. Then tap on the download your information. Then again tap on the download. Then tap on the all available information. Then again tap on the download option available there. And now simply tap on the create files and your download process will be started. After that, you can simply view the voice messages on your Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.